Hey guys, just a quick tutorial on how to create an account on Turnitin.com and then join my class so you can submit your written work. So after you get to Turnitin.com, you would go to create account. You are a student. From here, you would enter your class ID number. Each class has a different class ID, and those are posted just below this video. So there's one for first hour, fourth hour, sixth hour, and then my online academy class. So make sure you use that class ID number. Everyone's class enrollment key is Titans. So again, that's listed below here too. That's what you would enter here. Then you would enter your information, your first name, last name. You can leave the display name as the same. Enter your school email address, and then confirm your school email address. Create a password, confirm your password. You have to pick a secret question in case you ever need to reset your password. So pick one of these questions that you will remember the answer to and type the answer here. And then click I am not a robot and let the little green check actually populate before you click I agree and then create profile. I'm not going to actually create a profile because I don't have an email address that is not already associated with Turnitin.com, so it won't let me. But from there, you would see my class pop up, and then I will have I'll have another tutorial showing you how to create, how to upload your assignments to Turnitin.com.